Hey cuties, my name is Soosh. Welcome to my channel. This is currently being painted pink, my collection room. So excited. You'll see an update soon. So it'll have all my dolls and toys in there and my gaming setup and all sorts. And this is actually going to be painted purple, well, lilac, pastel purple. And I have so much to unpack. I just moved in. You'll see another update shortly. It's going to come up. See you guys soon. Hey kitties, so this is a update of my collection room. So this is going to be like a toy room with a desk at the back at the window where I can color in and do all things and filming as well. And this is like a gaming room slash where I will have my DJ booth because I'm a DJ, well, a bedroom DJ. I have a Barbie bed. I've got more pillows to unpack. So this is the pink room and this is the update of the pink room, and I feel so lucky to have this. I have always wanted a pink room since I was little, so I've put some Barbies there so far in the boxes, and there's one out of the box, but I've got so much to unpack. I have a pink gaming setup, a pink gaming chair, and this monitor will go in the other room, so I can use my laptop in there and watch things. We'll watch YouTube videos in the toy room. So this is an update of the pink room, and I've just moved in to this house and so lucky to have this pink room, and the painters did a good job and I chose the pink, this pastel pink color. I wanted it to be like a vibrant pastel pink. So that's the update, and got this little gaming setup if you want to have a closer look with Hello Kitty headphones. I might do a video of it, what it looks like at night, but it lights up so cool. So that's the gaming setup. And well, this room is actually a guest room, so this is for my family and friends to stay whenever. So it's just, there's not going to be any toys or anything in this room, and that shoe rack will go in this cupboard, but all of this stuff is going to go in the toy room, in the pink room. Look at all that stuff. Oh my gosh. So I'm still unpacking, so this is like the last of what I need to unpack in the house. So I've just unpacked everything in the house, and I've just left my collection rooms last, which I love my collection rooms. I wish I could have done it sooner. But I got some toys like My Little Ponies to unpack, caboodles. Just so much stuff to go through. So that stuff will either go in this room, which is like a lilac painted toy room. Some stuff will go in the pink room as well, but this is the DJ booth, which is going to go in the pink room. This this white DJ booth, should I say, is going to go in the pink room. And I need to unpack everything in here, and I've got some shelves here installed, so I can't wait to unpack and use these shelves. And I think the handyman did a good job putting these shelves in. Actually, he did so good. Floating shelves for my collection. So, and he installed these as well, so he did a really good job. I'm going to have more floating shelves on that back wall installed in the future, but for now we've just got one with my little vision board. And just show you an update of what needs to be unpacked, and I'm going to keep updating you guys. These are like glass cabinets that I'm going to have in the middle of the room. These are Billy IKEA bookshelves, and I still need to
put the shelves on. They're all down the bottom. I need to install those. These bags are full of toys. So box toys, toys out of the box. I need to sort all of this and make this room really nice, and got like a desk here as well. Oh my gosh, so many toys. So much to unpack. These are all toys. So I've got like this white desk, brand new, and I'm gonna have the chair here and, you know, play with my toys, do some filming and have fun in this room. So this is like a purple, pastel purple lilac painted room. So the painters did a good job with painting this. So my two favorite colors are pink and purple, especially baby pink and pastel pink and pastel purple. I love this color. It's like lilac, really gorgeous. So I've got so much to unpack. So this is the update so far, and I will give you guys another update on how I'm going with the unpacking. I'll see you guys soon.
Hey my cuties, so this is an update of my unpacking. So I arranged all the furniture, I dusted and wiped down the shelves, vacuumed a little bit, took out all of the boxes and bags out of the room, and I am really loving how it's looking so far, and the furniture just all fits in so perfectly. And oh my gosh, I'm so excited to just decorate and put out my collection. Everything's all clean and ready to go. So you guys will see a update. Well, actually, it will be pretty much the final, you'll see everything in the next video of what it will look like, my collection room. And this is all the stuff that I pulled out of both rooms, and I just put it out onto the hallway, into the spare bedroom or the guest room, just so I can sort everything and just start, decorating the two rooms. And it's just, I feel it was easier just to pull everything out, so then I can, put everything in the rooms, in the shelves, as I please. And I'm so excited. So my next video will be the final look of both collection rooms, so be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on seeing the final looks of both rooms. I hope you guys have enjoyed the updates, and thank you for being with me in this process. I'm having so much fun with it, and I'm so happy to have this new little channel, so feel free to like the video and comment. It will really help me out, and you don't have to if you don't want to, but you can if you want to. And I am so happy that you're here and just to have fun and play with all these toys that I have and to share them with you guys, and it will be so much fun to have you come along the journey with me. So I will see you guys soon in the next video. It should be maybe a toy review, or when I'm ready, I'll just post the final look of both collection rooms. So I will see you guys soon. Have a beautiful day or night. See you guys.